I'm Ryan from Trudgy's Bug Out, and I'm standing here today with Mike Mortel. He's owned a Scout camper since 2020, one of the very first ones. He then upgraded to a Kenai, one of the first Bowen Customs flatbeds, which is a super slick looking rig. But also, Mike and Danny are now opening their own dealership in Ohio named Nook Overland. That will be opening, I believe, in the start of May. So that's going to be really cool. Mike is super knowledgeable. He's so knowledgeable. Him and his wife, we actually brought Mike in to do some AC research for us. So this video is going to be a little bit on AC. We had Mike come in, research some different brands of ACs, and Mike's kind of got it summed up as, 3 different types. Someone who's going to be using their camper tons with AC, someone doesn't want to spend that much money, other solution, and kind of like a portable AC solution. So I'm going to let Mike talk a little bit here about ACs, and then we'll touch base again here. Go ahead, Mike.
Perfect. Yeah, I really think ACs, there's 3 different options out there. If you have money to spend and you are going to be using it a lot, then investing in a battery upgrade, having additional storage, additional solar on the top, and then getting a 12-volt system similar to what we have. We have the Autoklima Fresca 9000 Max, but there are some other 12-volt brands out there as well. Going that route is the best solution out there, but it does cost money and it adds weight to the camper. So there are some, reasons why not to go that route. If you are somebody that will use it frequently, but want to go a little bit cheaper, and you don't have a rooftop tent option on your Scout, then I do recommend looking into one of the rooftop AC units. There are some 12-volt AC units, but I would probably recommend just going with one of the regular AC standards. Having a generator or being able to plug in to shore power to power those is something you're going to need. So you'll need to know when it's going to be hot, so you can have some additional power for that. And then the third option, if you're not going to use it that frequently, is get some type of window AC unit that you can either come up with some type of mount to. There's a couple different people that have done it different ways to mount it on the window itself, or one owner has actually built a cubby on the storage on the other side where it sits in, and you power that off of shore power or AC or generator. The issue with that is you're always going to have to move it every time you relocate or move the camper. So it is not a simple option if you are moving frequently, but if it's something you only need a couple times a year, it's a good option to go.
Awesome. So I know we're still working through at the Scout factory. The engineers are still working through Mike's findings, and Scout is planning to have an AC solution potentially this summer. But I do know that we're super excited for Nook Overland to open, and he would probably be a good shop to reach out to if you want to install something custom. Mike and his wife have tons of experience in Scouts. Again, they've been with us since the start, so it would be a great store to contact for AC solutions, and I'm sure they're going to have lots of other solutions for you. But definitely reach out to Nook Overland when they open, and thanks for watching.